the first thing that I would say is actually, from the international standpoint, cultural sensitivity and recognizing that there are different heritages and different sources of mediation. So in a way, when we talk about developing mediation standards, we need to think about almost mediating mediation, bringing all those voices together to provide input. But with that said, I mean, another question that needs to be raised is what it means to be a professional mediator, okay? Because there's a difference between someone who does it as a profession and someone who does it as part of their daily job or, part of their general approach to life. And so when we talk about a professional mediator, we need to consider things like skills, of course, but we need to consider training and experience and vetting, okay? And these are the three things that can help to differentiate someone as a professional mediator that you would turn to. So the standards would need to consider things such as this. I mean, as sort of getting back to the brass tacks, I mean, at IMI, we've set standards for training, so quality training, for trainers, coaches, and assessors, for the assessment of experienced mediators as well, and for ethics. What we don't do is prescribe the process, okay? Because of course there are many different ways of doing mediation and different mediation styles. So that, I think, we would want to be reluctant to prescribe. But I think the one final element though to consider when talking about setting standards is the idea of independence, because I think it's inconsistent to have the same body delivering training and delivering assessment and setting standards, because they have that conflict of interest there, right? The sort of the fiduciary interest. But I think those are the main things. The fundamentals: training, experience, and vetting.